Roll down, pervert. The BS is cut like ham and jerky. I'm about to react to OVO Thieves. Drake this in the parentheses by my guy Postcard PFV. Bro, Swaggy P. Post from my fellow Midwesterner, man. My fellow Midwesterner. Yo, hey. Yeah. If y'all don't know what OVO, if y'all don't know what that acronym stands for, it stands for October's very own. You know what I'm saying? Drake was born in October, if I'm not mistaken. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, bro, like, yeah, Drake and Postcard, you know what I mean? There's issues, man. Like, Postcard does not respect Drake. He does not like Drake. Drake did some sucker ish to Postcard back in, like, you know what I mean? Years back. I think years back. Postcard, let me know how many years ago that was. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, like Drake stole Drake stole a floor, like Drake stole flows, and like, yeah, Drake stole from Postcard, bro. That's whack, bro. That's whack. Like, Drake did not give him the credit. You know what I mean? Straight plagiarism, straight plagiarism, bro. And there are mainstream artists, there are big name artists that jack from smaller artists, from lesser known artists. Like, yeah, bro, it's crazy, bro. We finna get into it. That's the God's plan. Yeah, he stole, like, yeah, Drake, bruh. Drake used that same flow on God's plan. You know what I'm saying? Like, did not give him the credit. Straight plagiarism, bro. I've been moving calm, don't start no trouble with me. I am not caving for nothing, I'm carving it out and I'm paving the way. I didn't lie to you, know that's the hideaway. Stealing flows, bro. I don't even gotta play shit after that one. I'm done. I hop out with six and I'm playing for keeps. OVO came and they wanted things. Pull away Dracos, I got my receipts. I'm never ducking. Dracos the guns. I didn't lie to you, know that's the hideaway. The level is just so advanced. The bezel is Tiffany stamp, no grip on my hand. I don't even gotta play shit after that one. I'm done. I hop out with six and that man, this man is like a goose. Like, yeah, it's like, bruh. Like, he's saying this dude is a bird. Like, that's a bar. The visual, there's bars in the visuals, bro. My Postcard, this dude got layers. He got entendres, bro. Like, this dude is a lyricist, bro. This dude is a super lyricist. This dude, lyrically, Postcard is, like, you know, Postcard is gonna, Postcard is gonna go down in the annals as one of the greatest lyricists of all time. I cannot say Drake is gonna be remembered as one of the greatest lyricists of all time because of the ghostwriting and all that. That's not respectable to me. That's not laudable to me. Having ghostwriters, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, once you have ghostwriters, you cannot be considered one of the greatest lyricists of all time. You know what I'm saying? Drake, I give Drake, you know what I mean? Drake can perform. His performance skills go crazy. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know what I'm saying? I'm not hating on Drake. I don't hate Drake, you know what I'm saying? But I don't rock with Drake. Like, I don't respect that jacking and stealing and taking from other people. That's just whack to me, bro. Like, you know what I'm saying? You're not a scrupulous person when you do that. You're not scrupulous, bro. If you're stealing from people and not giving them their credit, not, like, it's crazy, bro. Tiffany stamp, no grip on my hand. I don't even gotta play shit after that one. I'm done. I hop out with six and I'm playing for keeps. 6 guns. Came and they wanted things. Pull away Dracos, I got my receipts. I'm never ducking Canadian geese. Winning a Grammy is really a breeze. When you got me writing on every release. I'm in the grassy, a snake in my feet. You watching, you know it, let's rinse and repeat. He said the grassy. Drake was on the grassy. That show he was in a wheelchair. I'm in the grassy, a snake in my feet. You watching, you a snake. Pull away Dracos, I got my receipts. He said Drake is fugazi. He a sucker.
done. I hop out with six and I'm playing for keeps. OVO came and they wanted it. Pull away Dracos, I got my receipts. I'm never ducking Canadian geese. Winning a Grammy is
never ducking.
I'm done.
Never like to duck is to avoid somebody you ducking them. Like you don't want to be around that person you ducking them. You don't want to be in the vicinity. You feel me?
You got me riding on every relay. I'm in the grassy, snake in my feet. You watching, you know it. Let's race.
I'm in the grassy, the grass, comma C, but the grassy to show the grassy. You a snake, snakes in the grass, like yeah, like animals, the animal snakes, but you a snake. You're a fugazi person. You're a snake person. Like my man with the wordplay, bro.
Tiffany stand, no grip on my hand. I don't even gotta play shit after that one. I'm done. I hop out with six and I'm playing for keeps. OVO came and they wanted it. Pull away Dracos, I got my
It was hard to make out that one part.
I'm done.
After the game.
I hop out with six and I'm playing for keeps. OVO came and they wanted it.
Yeah, that last part I could not make out. You know what I'm saying?
I'm done. I hop out with six and I'm playing for keeps. OVO came and they wanted it. Pull away Dracos, I got my receipts. I'm never ducking Canadian geese. Winning a Grammy is really a breeze. When you got me riding on every relay. I'm in the grassy, a snake in my feet. You watching, you know it. Let's rinse and repeat. Yeah.
Yo, what do you say? You watched and you know it. That's rinse and repeat. Like wash, rinse. Like yeah, you wash like you like an artist that's washed. They're not as good, bro. They're not as bruh. Like Postcard saying he got Drake beat as far as lyrically and everything, bro. Like he's better than Drake at everything, bro. Like Drake is washed. He's washed. He's not all that, bro. He's washed, bro. He's washed on the mic, but actually, like bruh. But rinse and repeat, things get rinsed, like you know what I'm saying, bruh. Yeah, bro. Like the whole dishes bars, the whole scheme, like yeah, you know what I mean. You put detergent on the dishes. You wash the dishes. You know what I'm saying? You wash the dishes, rinse it, like you rinse them off. You know what I mean? Rinse. Yeah. He's scheming, bro.
I'm never ducking Canadian geese. Winning a Grammy is really a break.
Laundry bars too, possibly. I think he might be referring to laundry too. Wash you're washed, rinse and repeat. Like clothes get, you know what I mean?
Pull away Dracos, I got my receipts. I'm never ducking Canadian geese. Winning a Grammy is really a breeze. When you got me riding on every relay. I'm in the grassy, a snake in my feet. You watching, you know it. Let's rinse and repeat. Yeah. Send to the girl with the egg and leave it ain't gon' eat. Yeah. Put up all the credits on your songs and we gon' see.
We gon' see. Yeah, that's Drake said something like, "We gon' see, at the end of his one of his verses on the then he went into the hook. I got enemies. I got a lot of enemies. What did he say? Got a lot of enemies. Some energy. Try to stay away from. Yeah.
Pull away Dracos, I got my receipts. I'm never ducking Canadian geese.
That's a reference to that.
When you got me riding on every relay. I'm in the grassy, a snake in my feet. You watching, you know it. Let's rinse and repeat.
He said Postcard said he be writing. He write everything. He doesn't have ghostwriters. There's a difference, bro. We're not alike. Word to Eminem, we're not alike, bro. Not alike. That's an Eminem song. You know what I'm saying?
When you got me riding on every relay. I'm in the grassy, a snake in my feet. You watching, you know it. Let's rinse and repeat. Yeah. Send it to the girl with the egg and leave it ain't gon' eat. Yeah.
All bars.
All the credits on your songs and we gon' see. Repeat. Yeah. Send it to the girl with the egg and leave it ain't gon' eat. Yeah. Put up all the credits on your songs and we gon' see. You have a little trouble with the board cause we ain't me. Yeah. It's on site.
What he say? He not Meek. He not Meek Mill. Drake and Meek Mill had beef back in that, you know what I mean, years back. But they squashed it. They got on the Drake was on Meek Mill's Championships album. You know what I mean?
You have a little trouble with the board cause we ain't me. It's on site, motherfucker. We see me, look. We don't speak. Yeah.
It's on site, like I'm gonna beat the brakes off you if I see you. You know what I'm saying? Like it ain't. I don't wanna squash nothing with you, bro. You a sucker, bro. Like you steal from me. You do like that's bro. That's foul, bro. That's foul to the max. Like that's yeah, bro. That's out of order, bro. morally out of order, morally not like it's unscrupulous. It's whack, bro. It's whack to the maximum extent, man. It's whack sauce.
Put up all the credits in your songs and we gon' see. You gon' have a little trouble with the boy, cause we ain't me. It's on sight, motherfucker, when you see me, look, we don't speak. Yeah, I been boy, cause we ain't me. It's on sight, motherfucker, when you see me, look, we don't speak. Yeah, I been sitting waiting while they taking on my melody.
Hold on.
Boy, cause we ain't me. It's on sight, motherfucker, when you see me. Put up all the credits in your songs and we gon' see. You gon' have a little trouble with the boy, cause we ain't me. Put up all the credits in your songs and we gon' see.
Yeah, he's.
You gon' have a little trouble with the boy, cause we ain't me.
Yeah, we ain't Meek. That's a bar like Meek like. Yeah, I already said the Meek Mill reference, but Meek is a, you know what I'm saying? Meek is like overly humble or overly nice. Like you let anything slide, like you let people treat you any type of way. Like, nah, bro. Like you turn like you like, nah, bro. Like he said he ain't Meek. Like he not overly nice, bro. Like he not like just like he is a good dude. He's a good person, bro. But he not, just cause he's good don't mean you could take his. Don't mean you could just do whatever you want. Like it doesn't mean you can treat him any type of way. That's what he's saying. Like he ain't this ain't that. Like I'm not no pushover. You feel me? You're not finna do whatever you want and get away with it, bro.
I've been sitting waiting while they taking all my melodies and hoping, cause we ain't me. It's on sight, motherfucker, when you see me, look, we don't speak. Yeah, I've been sitting waiting while they taking all my melodies and hoping I don't ever write a snap. Every time you drop another anthem, someone hitting on my line and saying that I gotta call in cap. You ain't at the. I've been sitting waiting while they taking all my melodies and hoping I don't ever write a snap. Every time you drop another anthem,
they just want him to sit and just accept it, like, and not say anything, not speak out against it. Like they want him to be silent, bro. It's crazy. They trying to like manipulate and try to.
I've been sitting waiting while they taking all my melodies and hoping I don't ever write a snap. Every time you drop another anthem, someone hitting on my line and saying that I gotta call in cap. You ain't at the weekend, but you able to be taking all the credit for the end of all the way that he's a scrap. You ain't at the TPS, look a melody I made is what has kept you on the motherfucking map.
Woo. Yeah, he going in on Jay. He exposing this shit. Hold on, this my man Postcard with the flow, the clarity, the chopper flow.
Every time you drop another anthem, someone hitting on my line and saying that I gotta call in cap. You ain't at the weekend, but you able to be taking.
Say you not the Weekend, like, stop, like the
Weeknd
Weeknd is also a Canadian artist. Weeknd is a fire singer, bro. Weeknd goes crazy.
I've been sitting waiting while they taking all my melodies and hoping I don't ever write a snap. Every time you drop another anthem, someone hitting on my line and saying that I gotta call in cap. You ain't at the weekend, but you able to be taking all the credit for the end of all the way that he's a scrap. You ain't at the TPS, look a melody I made is what has kept you on the motherfucking map. And you ain't not a dad, you a deadbeat. All in my bad for the recipe. I tell her vision you ain't.
Yeah, Pusha T was talking about that too on the story of Adidon, like deadbeat mother playing border patrol. Ooh. Like, yo, Pusha went at Drake's soul on that joint.
You ain't not a TPS, look a melody I made is what has kept you on the motherfucking map. And you ain't not a dad, you a deadbeat. All in my bad for the recipe. I tell her vision you ain't.
What do you say, bad?
You ain't not a TPS, look a melody I made is what has kept you on the motherfucking map. And you ain't not a dad, you a deadbeat. All in my bad for the recipe. I tell her vision you ain't like you made it. I guess you deserve you and not speed. Yeah, I'll write it in blood. And if you are reading. All in my bad for the recipe. I tell her vision you ain't like you made it. I guess you deserve you and not speed. Yeah, I'll write it in blood. And if you are reading this, it is too late. When push comes to shove, I'ma take care of my.
If you're reading this, it's too late. That's an album by Drake.
I'll write it in blood. And if you are reading this, it is too late. When push comes to shove, I'ma take care of my business. Nothing was the same. How about what's listening on?
Push comes to shove. Is he referring to Pusha T? Is he shouting out Pusha T? Like, cause Pusha T got, you know what I mean? Pusha T went at Drake. You know what I'm saying? They had beef, and Pusha T went at Drake's soul on that story of Adidon. Like, Pusha T destroyed Drake. I don't care what anybody says, bro. Pusha T is a legend, bro. An all-time great. That dude, like, Pusha T's lyricism is crazy, bro. Like, and his incisiveness on that song, on that, and his, like, he was going, like, the mercilessness that Pusha T had, bro.
Yeah. All of my bad for the recipe. I television you
No Mercy. That's a bar. No Mercy. Pusha T was on the song called No Mercy.
And if you are reading this, it is too late. When push come to shove, I'ma take care of my business. Nothing was the same. How about what's this and I'm playing for keeps?
What did he say? Nothing was the same. Like he's spitting these bars, man. He's scheming, bro. The references. The references. The Drake references.
Nothing was the same. How about what's this and I'm playing for keeps? OVO game and they want a date. Polo and Drake 'cause I got my receipts. I'm never ducking Canadian beats. Winning a Grammy is really a breeze. When you got me writing on every release. I'm in the grass, see a snake in my feet. You watching, you know it, let's rinse and repeat. Yeah. Send it to the jail with an egg and leave your tank on E. Yeah. Put up all the credits in your songs and we gon' see. You gon' have a little trouble with the boy, 'cause we ain't me. Yeah. It's on sight, motherfucker, when you see me though, we don't speak. You be on stage kissing youngins, I'm actually bugging. You up in the court and you settling over it.
Yeah, I heard about Drake. Drake was, he kissed like a 17-year-old or something. Like, yeah, that's wild. That's beyond. That's wild. That's wild, bro. That's wild, bro. Yeah.
Ain't gon' eat. Yeah. Put up all the credits in your songs and we gon' see. You gon' have a little trouble with the boy, 'cause we ain't me. Yeah. It's on sight, motherfucker, when you see me though, we don't speak.
Ain't no talking. You feel me? Ain't no talking. You know what I mean? It's fighting, bro. Like I'm fighting you. Like I'm not like. You know what I'm saying?
You gon' have a little trouble with the boy, 'cause we ain't me. Yeah. It's on sight, motherfucker, when you see me though, we don't speak. You be on stage kissing youngins, I'm actually bugging. You up in the court and you settling over assumptions. And you have been stealing the sounds of the people and giving them nothing. I'm not really bluffing. Let's talk about Erica, Quentin, and Jimmy and Soldier.
Bluffing, I'm not bluffing. I'm not on I'm not capping. I'm not lying. I'm not bluffing, bro. I'm not saying BS. I'm not bull crapping, bro. I'm not bluffing. I'm not flogging. I'm not fronting my move.
I'm not really bluffing. Let's talk about Erica, Quentin, and Jimmy and Soldier and Ness. Talk about the samples that you never.
Quentin Miller, the ghostwriter. Erica who? What Erica is he talking about?
Let's talk about Erica, Quentin, and Jimmy and Soldier and Ness. Talk about the samples that you
Soldier Boy? Soldier, what Soldier? Postcard, let me know.
Talk about Erica, Quentin, and Jimmy and Soldier and Ness. Talk about the samples that you never cleared and how you need to go off and pay off your debts. This is your record, look, you need to go off the record and thank your boy Party for his. You could Erica, Quentin, and Jimmy and Soldier and Ness. Talk about the samples that you never cleared and how you need to go off and pay off your debts. This is your record, look, you need to go off the record and thank your boy Party for his.
Party Next Door? He collaborated with Party Next Door.
Talk about the samples that you never cleared and how you need to go off and pay off your debts. This is your record, look, you need to go off the record and thank your boy Party for his. You could make millions and hit all the skillers, but without the writers, you wouldn't be shit. It's one thing to vibe in the studio, give out some love and some energy, but you a bitch. Ironic that he chose an I to be what represents him, cause he do not know who he is.
Hold on.
Energy, but you a bitch. Ironic that he chose an I to be what represents him, cause he do not know who he is. How about what's this and on time? Energy, but you a bitch. Ironic that he chose an I to be what represents him, cause he do not know who he is. How about what's
yeah.
Then we gon' see. You gon' have a little trouble with the boy.
Hold on.
I'm never ducking Canadian beats. Winning a Grammy is really a breeze. When you got me writing on every release. I'm in the grassiest.
Yeah, this is wild, bro. We got to get the views of this up, bro. We got to get the views of this up. And yeah, and no pun intended, man. Yo, hey, if y'all like that joint, comment, share, subscribe, show my man Postcard love. Tell him Devo the Amberverse sent you, man. Yeah, Postcard. He wasn't playing with Drake. He wasn't playing with Drizzy Drake. He wasn't playing with bruh. He wasn't playing with him, bruh. He was not playing with him, bruh. Yeah, bro. Postcard, he went in, bro. He had the waviness, the melodicness, the chopper flow, the lyricism, he brought it, bro. Postcard came with it. He came with the real information, bro. He came with he came with some heavy ish, bro, against this dude, Drake, man. Drake is a goofy, man. He's a goofy, man. It's sad, man, that certain artists they steal from smaller artists and they they claim like they take the credit for it. Like that's some goofy ish, bro. I'm about to get yo. Let me know what y'all thought, man. I'm about to get up out of here, man. I appreciate and love y'all. One love to the family of DTA Elevation Before, no GTA, man. Big ups to all the real Canadian artists, man. Big ups to all the real artists. Period. Artists that don't steal from others. That don't do sucker ish, man. Yo, one love the Postcard, much love the Post, man. Yo, one of the realest, one of the most thoroughbred in the game, man. One of the most talented, multi-talented. You know what I mean? Good dude, good energy, man. Good vibes, man. Yo, can't wait to see you, Postcard. I'ma see you soon, man. I'm gone.